All right.
It's Iron Bridge.
Iron Bridge on the Withlacoochee River. We're down here. We ain't just sightseeing. We're catfishing. Old brother Max hooked me up with the setup now. We ain't down here just playing around. We're serious. Gonna make it happen. Here directly. We'll be having catfish on the barbecue smoker. And it's beautiful down here, man. There's fucking brother Max over there, fucking enjoying the whole deal too, man. That's good to fucking be here. And just right up there is the scout waiting patiently. Man, it's just nice here, Max. We got it all going on. Look at that Spanish moss up in the tree. Big oak tree. I guess that's an oak tree, ain't it? Real nice. Yep. I love my job. Well, we ain't got a bite yet, but I'll try and remember to put that on recording if I do.